everyone. Today is a very special day because today is Jonas' birthday and mommy bought him a gift and Junior make a birthday card for his brother. Where's the card, sir? That's Junior card for Jonas for birthday boy.
And he also did not give me one when it was my birthday.
When it was your birthday, he never gave you no card?
And I'm not gonna give him.
You're not gonna give him? Oh. I bought a present with an idea because Jonas' friends call him Idea. Because he always have an idea. So this is the diary I bought for him. Everything begins with an idea and is for 1,376.93 cents plus tax. And I also bought a chicken because he want to make a special dish for which he need a chicken breast pieces, and I also bought a spatula to cook that dish. I hope Jonas like it. Today is going to be a very special day for Jonas. This is chicken which I bought it. This is breast tenderloin and it's for $1,348 and it's $2,043 for per kg. And we are here to pick up Jonas. I just pick up Junior. Junior didn't had a great day today
because you took some of the books which were from my bag and I can still lift it up, and now I had to do everything, all of those textbooks at home.
Oh.
And I forgot my
Well, mommy, take out the books from your bag because the bag was super heavy. Junior, I have a gift for you too. Guess what is a gift? Guess the gift. No, it's not here. It's not here, Junior. It's not from supermarket.
What's this?
Okay, the gift is... Oh, this is the ginger ale. I bought it for Dada. Dada like this ginger ale. Anyway.
There's only 2 of them.
So your gift is swimming classes. I paid for your swimming classes.
But they said that I can wear trunks.
Yes, you can wear trunks for your swimming practice.
But or a t-shirt.
आज मैंने almost 2 लाख खर्चा किया है 194,000 for Jonas and Junior school fees and their swimming and some notebooks. Junior, you guys are very expensive. The kids are very expensive nowadays. Anyway, we are here to pick up Jonas. I hope he has a good day today. Classmates are very confusing. Who is Kalani?
The one with the A is the boy. The one with the E is the girl.
Oh, Kalani with A is a boy. Kelani with E is a girl.
How there are like 2 kind of Kalanis. One is Kalani Edwards and one is Kalani Blair Thompson.
Oh, okay.
That's his full name.
I always get confused. Jonas कब निकलेगा बाहर?
Mommy, I see Amber's sister and...
We are in the parking. Parking भी almost full हो गई है. कब निकलेंगे ये लोग? Jonas, you like your present?
Mommy. Guess what?
What?
Listen. Switch. If Junior... Yes, take an example. After 3 years, there's gonna be another big party for him, right?
Yeah.
And then and then after 5 years, I'm gonna get my big party.
Right.
Why 3 and 5?
Because you get party only when after 5 years. You got your first party when you were 5. This is your second party when you're turning 10. And your third party will be when you turn 15.
Oh, Mommy!
Jonas, I have another gift for you.
Is it under this thing again?
Isabel, careful. Take time.
Mommy, what's this?
Yes, that's your next present.
Mommy, what is this?
I hope you like it.
Mommy, what is this pebble? Me.
Let your brother touch with you.
No.
Come.
Please, he took the fun out of it.
Easy.
Is this the one, right? No, Julia, that's not a plaything.
He plays with knife. Big. There you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jonas. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
May you live to see many more. May the Lord smile upon you.
Thank you, Grandma.
Me too. So we're just talking about who hates each other more.
आज जोनस का बर्थडे है तो मैं सूजी का हलवा बना रही हूँ। सूजी का हलवा बोलो या बादाम का हलवा बोलो। ये बादाम का हलवा बना रही हूँ और भगवान को भोग लगा रही हूँ। एक्चुअली मुझे याद है जब हम लोग छोटे थे तो हमारे लिए बर्थडे का मतलब होता था कि मम्मी आज बादाम का हलवा बनाएगी और हम सब आज हलवा खाएंगे। हम लोग को एक्चुअली केक वगैरह नहीं मालूम था। हमारे बर्थडे में तो कभी कोई केक वगैरह नहीं आया। हमारे लिए हमेशा मम्मी ये सूजी का हलवा बनाती थी और इसी से हम लोग सब मीठा मुँह करते थे सारे घर वाले। ये सो टू फॉलो दैट लेगेसी तो मैंने आज ये हलवा बनाया है और पार्टी का सामान भी आ गया है अभी। केयरफुल गाइस।
Since Maya allowed me to use this knife, so I can use it now. Oh my god.
जोनस चाकू बहुत तेज है, संभाल के।
I see something crumbled through this clear tape. This is the banana.
ओके
This is the one banana. Try not to damage it because banana. Oh no. That's so good. Never mind. Oh, what's this thing? Oh, these are the live things. Whoa. Mine has these here too. Oh no, these will be the hang up thing. What was? Wow, this is the play something. Pops. And these are. Mommy, look at this. Yeah, and these are the bouncy balls. Bouncy ball and this pouch. What? Just look at the king. Look at these wristbands and then this. Wait, where's the bouncing ball? Oh, and this is the thing that my ordered for the scroll thingy. What? What is this? Next. Wait, I think there's supposed to be one more.
जो बिस्किट भी ऑर्डर की क्या?
बिस्किट नहीं तो
No, show me that pack. इधर ला. Show me this. Show me.
Space suit, I'm gonna come for you. No, this is your space. What do you mean?
केयरफुल। जोनस चाकू संभाल के बेटा।
This one. Wait, you ordered free. See, this is your space suit. Oh.
Oh, that's Junior's space suit.
Looks bigger than I thought, but nicer though. What's that? Your t-shirt. Congratulations.
Oh, that
No, wait.
t-shirt's right.
Space suits.
That's my t-shirt.
This is.
It says-
कोला क्यों ऑर्डर किया तूने?
It's my son's birthday.
It's my son's birthday.
Mommy, can I try this tomorrow?
Wait.
Tomorrow you try it, right?
Yeah, I can
This
try
is-
Let me see. Let me see that one.
Mine.
spacesuits.
And this is Dad's. Go on for you today.
I got my spacesuits.
Dad of birthday boy. That will fit you or is that too big? That look big.
So yeah,
It's big. Yeah.
With the small bouncing balls. Oh, these are so cool. Do I
Seriously, more than the gift, you're interested in this?
Obviously. Whoa!
Whatever.
ये रिटर्न गिफ्ट ये है चिंदी वाला.
So got the bouncy balls, slap bracelet,
Okay, इसमें बैग है,
necklaces,
नेकलेस है,
Necklace,
स्टिकर्स है,
stickers, bouncy ball,
bounce ball and the torch
and slap
and the
bracelet.
bracelet.
And slap bracelet. You just slap people with it and then.
चलो जहाँ पर था वहाँ पर रख दो फटाफट.
I'm done.
You like it?
Yeah. Thank you, mommy. Now,
You're most welcome.
now I'm gonna take this off.
Okay.